Hi friends, I am Abhay Kumar and today I am going to explain about how to make the tire in the Catia V5. We have to select a sketch plane and then make an arc. Click the mirror option. Here we are going the mirror option. We have to give it a proper angle 360 degree. After that we have to go the part design from the mechanical, and after we have to go the sketch. Then we have to take the profile. So we are going to take the arc. Again we have to take the same arc. And then we have to take an arc and make a join. Press an escape button. And we are going to join by taking the arc, and next we are taking the line. Join it properly. After that we are going to take the mirror option with reference to the y-axis vertically. Here is a mirror, and go to the shaft definition, move it and click OK. Again go to the plane definition. We have to take the plane offset and go to the sketch. In sketch we have to design the or model this shape or the grip what we are going to give for the tire. By this method we can design the car tire or the truck tire, anything, bike tire, anything. Again we have to take the pocket definition and up to the surface. Pocket means we have to extract the mass. If it is not applied, then take a dimension, take the 20 mm, 22 or 23 depth and see in the preview and click OK. Then we have to go the circular pattern, click circular pattern. Here we are seeing the circular pattern. We have to give the angle as a 20 and instantaneous number. We have to give the instantaneous number as 15 according to the need and the requirement. We have to select the reference element. Here is the reference element. We are going to select it. Properly select the reference element. We have to zoom it. Select the reference element carefully, and again we have to add the instantaneous item, and we can find and review. Click OK option. After that we have to render it by adding, we have to hide some lines. Here is a render color. We have to choose our own wish of the color, apply it, and hence we can find a tire of an automobile. Thank you for watching this.